when I was getting bullied, I just believed like I was always going to be bullied. I was always going to be sad and crying every day to my mom. And she told me, one day someone's going to love your eyebrows. I started Brow Boost when I was 15 years old, and I am currently 17 years old. When I first started, they would see me and they're like, yeah, sure. They just assumed it was like a lemonade stand that I was just doing for the weekend. But I had to really prove to them that this is my business and I'm very serious about it. And when they see me, they know like, oh, I know that girl, she's serious. I was bullied in elementary school and middle school for having thick, bushy, unruly eyebrows. And I went to my mom and I told her, I want my eyebrows thin, I want to cut my eyebrows off. And she told me, one day someone's gonna love your eyebrows. So what I did the next day, I decided to cut my eyebrows off, and it was really bad. It was bleeding terribly. I had to go to the hospital. And from that day forward, I realized I needed to find a different solution, a more positive solution to being more confident in my eyebrows. So what I did was I researched a lot of organic ingredients and I was mixing them together in my living room, and my family thought I was crazy. I just kept using the eyebrow gel and it was taming my brows and my hairs were growing back in. My friends noticed like, your brows look better, they look nice, what happened? And I told them about the gel. So in high school I decided to sell the gel, one for $3, two for $5 in the high school bathroom. And I started to make a really big profit from it, and I realized this could actually become a business. And so I named it Brow Boost. My first year, my mom gave me a small loan. I promised her that I would double the loan so I would be able to pay her back as well as make a profit. And I was able to do that, and that was a very big accomplishment for me. Then this year, we are on track to triple what I made in my first year, and my sales have grown 60%. Running my own business as a teenager has its ups and its downs, but definitely the rewards are better than the disappointments. I have to juggle getting on top of my classes as well as like coming to interviews and shipping out orders. It can be a hassle sometimes, but I definitely think that it's worth it. So I graduated last year with a 4.0 GPA, and I graduated a year early, so I skipped my junior year. I balance my time by living with my to-do list and my calendar. I balance everything out. So Beard Boost is the first product of my men's line. So it's a grooming product for beards. So it helps with moisturizing, getting rid of itchy and dry skin, and it also grows in patches. So if you're having missing patches or hair loss in your beard, or you want to connect your beard to your mustache, this is the product for you. My goal with my products is to get them in every store that is beauty. I want people to have Brow Boost in their makeup bags whenever they're traveling. When I was getting bullied, I just believed like I was always going to be bullied. I was always going to be sad and crying every day to my mom. But I had to realize that this was just one phase in my life, and the people that are bullying you, they really just look up to you, but they don't know how to respond, or they don't know how to say that to you. So instead they make jokes about you just to test the waters to see how you'll deal with it. So I would say definitely believe that pain doesn't last always, and definitely try to talk to someone about it, or try to find a hobby or anything that you can go to whenever you feel sad about being bullied.